Today I'll be boxing and reviewing my new Ulanzi phone tripod mount, ST06. Let's go!
So just before the review, guys, I'm going to give you a quick update about the Ulanzi vlogging kit. So I've been using this vlogging kit for about 2 months now, and as you can tell, guys, I've noticed a little crack on the mount. The tripod itself is quite sturdy, it does the job, but when you're using it, it does wobble slightly. I mean, it's not a big deal, but some people might find that a bit annoying. I think the main issue is the smartphone mount, as it's got a crack at the base. I noticed this about 2 weeks ago when I was using the actual mount itself, and my phone kept on wobbling inside the mount and becoming quite loose. It's a little bit annoying as I've not had the item for long and I didn't expect it to crack like that so soon. The mount itself is still usable, I still use it. It's just a little bit annoying that it broke so soon and it wobbles slightly when you're using it. I think I'll purchase another smartphone mount. It's always good to have a spare one anyway. Okay, I think it's time for me to unbox and review my new smartphone tripod mount. I decided to stick with the Ulanzi products. I purchased the Ulanzi smartphone tripod mount, ST06S. I decided to purchase this item because it was cheap and because it seemed like a little upgrade from the previous one. Straight out of the box, you get the smartphone mount plus an Allen key. So it has a push and lock mechanism with a press button on the side. The mount is able to rotate 360 degrees, supports horizontal and vertical shooting angles. Allen key is used to adjust the angle of the mount, leaning backwards and forwards 180 degrees. It's a bit annoying that you have to carry out an Allen key to adjust the angle of the mount. The mount itself also has 2 cold shoe mounts on each end. Hindsight, I think I should have purchased maybe a metal phone mount. Ulanzi do sell metal phone mounts. For example, the Ulanzi ST14 Ironman 3 metal smartphone holder, which is a really good one, but it's quite expensive. I will leave more information and links in the description below. Okay, I hope you liked the video, guys. And if you did, smash the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next unboxing review video. Thank you. Peace.